don't know if you can hear it or not. It's that loud noise that nobody seems to know what it is. I'm hoping it's a construction site down the street.